Welcome to Scoot. Today, we're going to review how to install and use the Scoot Engage for Outlook calendar integration. Let's dive in. Installing the Scoot Outlook calendar add-in is simple. Go to your Outlook calendar, click on the More Apps button, then select Add Apps. Search for Scoot, select the add-in, and click Add. For larger teams interested in having access to Scoot, your Microsoft admin can also install the add-in for org-wide use from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. After installing, you can use the add-in easily. Select an event and click on the Scoot option in your event menu. Sign in to your Scoot account and select a room to add to the meeting. Note that you may already be signed in if you used Sign In with Microsoft to create your Scoot account. Once you're signed in, click to add the room link and invite, then hit Save. Congratulations! You can now use the Scoot Outlook Calendar add-in. For more information, connect with our team at support@scoot.app.